Hi everyone! Here I'm sharing an easy but very delicious butternut squash soup recipe. Start by cutting a medium-sized butternut squash. Be very careful and use a big sharp knife because that's probably the hardest process of the whole soup. And then with a spoon just remove the seeds and the membrane. And then drizzle a little bit of cold-pressed avocado oil, spread it evenly, season with some salt and pepper, and put the cut part facing the baking sheet. Preheat your oven to 415 degrees Fahrenheit and roast about 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, take it out of the oven and add 1 white onion, 2 carrots, 2 stalks of celery, and 6 cloves of garlic, and return back to the oven for another 20 minutes. It smells so good, and the butternut squash is so nice and caramelized. Yeah, it's ready. I'll just transfer it and let it cool for a minute. And now we go to the fun part. After everything is kind of cooled down, just put all the veggies inside the blender. Spoon out the butternut squash. Add it to the blender. And then just add some veggie stock. I have a veggie stock that I made myself by boiling some veggies and using the water. And after it's all blended, pour it in a pan and simmer for 7 minutes. Now is the time to add some extra salt if you need it, some black pepper. I want to keep mine on the healthier side and I'm adding a little bit of avocado oil, but feel free to add butter. And it's time to serve it. I'm drizzling a little bit of infused oil with some herbs, which is like rosemary, red pepper. It goes really well. I'm adding some pepitas, pumpkin seeds, and garnishing it with a little bit of fresh parsley. And there you have it. It is so delicious and comforting, great for the holiday season. Thanks for watching. Bye.